all. I am Kunjan Jan and I am here to share new May to August 2020 Q card with all of you. So let us see the Q card topic for today. Describe the challenge you faced recently. Before we move to the Q hints, I want to share an exciting news with all of you. IDP has opened up its test centers in Punjab from July 16. So start practicing and tune into IELTS platform. So the topic was describe a challenge you faced recently. The cues or the hints are what it was means what was the challenge, when it happened, the time, how you faced it means what were your reactions or how did you deal with the challenges, and explain how you feel about it and what are your feelings about the challenge. So let us see the key, how we are going to prepare the topic. Yes. So is there anything better than talking about coronavirus? I don't think so. So I have chosen the topic challenge, that is corona, right? Then it started in India in March. To whichever country you belong, whenever it came to your country, you can mention accordingly. Major pandemic, yes, it is a very big epidemic that has hit globally. So I have written major pandemic. What happened in my country, India? There was lockdown by PM. Why it was a challenge? Because of course it is a pandemic, but other than that, there was lockdown by PM and we people were at homes for 66 days. There was no source of earning money. All the savings were spent. But yes, what I feel about all this thing, that why it was done, because safety comes first, right? So let us see how we are going to speak the topic. Thank you for the cue card. The world has been majorly hit by a pandemic, that is corona or COVID-19. It has devastated the entire world and made people sit where they were. It has brought the lives of the people to a standstill. I entered my country around the month of March, and immediately to stop its negative consequences, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a lockdown on March 22nd. The lockdown extended for a period of 66 days where all of us were confined to our homes. We could not move out. Only the shops or the marts for buying essential goods such as grocery, dairy products and medicines were open. All the hospital staffs and all the policemen were serving the country, but other than that, nobody could move out. So the source of earning money was totally not available. The people who were especially into businesses, they were not able to earn a penny, and many of the people lost their jobs during this time. Many of the companies were shut down because they were not able to face the financial crisis. So it was a major challenge for everybody to be at home and to survive without earning a single penny of money. As in today's time, even with earning money, people are not able to fulfill their needs, and at such a time we were that we could not step out of our homes. So that was a challenge that we are still in today. But yes, now the situations are different, as now all the restrictions have been withdrawn, and now the people are moving out, and that is why I'm sitting in front of you appearing for my exam. But yes, safety is still there, and I feel that this lockdown, although was an absolute challenge for all of us, but it was very important because safety of all the individuals, safety of all the residents of India was the prime importance, and was of prime importance, and our Prime Minister took up this responsibility very well. So that was a major challenge, and all of us, I believe, have faced it very successfully. Thank you.